domesticated. Like,
sorry.
It's okay.
We have something. Sorry. Oh, I blow it away so you don't just smell it.
You like when I make sure you look good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Oh. I feel like you could get better, maybe. Keep this slime. But you're such a creep. Okay, you know what? Honestly, it's very hard to film when Noah's dressed.
What's that? Oh, it's LA. Wait, when we go to the US, do we have TikTok still?
Yeah, it's because our domain is US.
What's my domain name?
Look at us, we look like Scottish as fuck.
No, we don't.
We look Irish.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. We're fucking redheads.
Like that. Why walk away like that? Pussy. It tastes good, but it was a really bad idea because. Oh, ew.
But if she does go with my dress, I'm definitely not gonna be surprised.
My apologies.
Literally me.
Kayla, bro, that was really gross, man. Kayla, bro. Like, I don't know. Actually, I don't.
I don't like it.
Me either.
Okay. It's like your beauty.
On the egg, so you got like a taco egg, so a tag.
Next. That should be the jelly bean challenge. Which one's that? Salmon. Oh my god. Water. We'll see if we have some gas. So guys.
Did Matilda dye her hair? No. Yes, not that long ago. Actually, no, yes. How long ago? Are you sure? Other side, guys. Well. You're awesome too. Thanks. Hey, ladies. Hey. Hey. I want to pet. Oh my god. Go live. I'm your fan. Hi, it's me. Did you say go live? Oh! No! Don't throw at my face! Oh, they would have been good. Who said that? That's fun. Hey, gorgeous Danica. Trying to find a bird from. A camera. Matches because I had a traumatic experience once where I literally set fire to one. Sorry.
We need to make videos for them.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, that's getting a bit too much now.
Oh, it's really passing me down.
And that's something about them can be like, it can be confidence, it can be swagger, it can be cash.
I'm radiant, look at that.
Disgusting.
Good for your eyelashes. Let's read the little thing. It's really cool. Like, I don't really know, but
Disgusting.
I remember. Really, you know, my fingers looked mouldy.
Look how disgusting.
Yeah, there's
Sorry.
Oh, I'll tell you what I did the other day.
I'm made. I'll tell you about it again. Sing, gives a sing. My nipples literally just got hard thinking about it. Or like multiple. Sorry, I've been holding. I thought today we could film a little mukbang. Was that good timing or was that? I have to have an Urban Dictionary and everything. I'm like.
You're welcome. Okay, but that's it. Get ready with me to go hang out with my boyfriend. Get ready with me to go to... Guys, someone in one of my videos told me to bring... I never said I quit.
Thank you. Okay, can I ask you something now? Yes. Do you think it's annoying or an excuse? Deja! Be a Valentine's Day gift while talking all things Valentine's. Can you stop? Look, I can easily not wrap it and just give him the box. Too late, you already... Holy shit, she literally aimed at it. Did you feel the
Something
things?
that reminds me
Unless
of the
it's like
first day we met or
expensive. Do you get your friends? Ay, nako! It's hot. Rice cakes. Hey, this is really funny. Everyone thinks I'm a little hussy because I had a baby at 16.
I have a secret talent, but like I can burp on command.
That was good. Anyways, Deja. Okay, so we're going to unwrap it.
With you. Use my code. Bye.
Are you for real?
Yeah, you can do that. Put all your ingredients here. You want caramel sauce and then...
Yeah.
Me. That was...
100 ears. Won't fit in one SUV. SOS. It was like this.
Wow, did you have to burp? Oh, because that's what happened to me. As well as mine, Tisha. Deja? Oh my god. It's hard because Deja broke her rib. Redskins. Deja.
What?
Deja.
It tastes like Coke.
Teach me how to play Roblox Squid Games. And then we
For 7 because exhales.
Oh my god, excuse me. I'm just... Excuse me. Hello, my beautiful...
That was good. That was wet. Okay, come on, Johnny. You can do better than this. I've got nothing left.
Yes or no?
If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.